Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is about doing lots and lots of DIYs and everything related to home within budget. If you're new here, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel with the bell notification. Today I'm really excited and happy because I'm going to co-host a beautiful challenge that is called part of the series of the Falling into Fall series along with my dear friend and a great YouTuber, Sushana from Regal Designs by Sushana. I'll put a link to Sushana's channel in the description box of my video. So she has this challenge that is called Fall Dollar Tree DIY Challenge. Sushana from Regal Designs by Sushana is the host, and there are three co-hosts. Number one, myself, I, Mo from MomDas Life Handmade. 2, Tamara from Love My Babies Forever, and number 3, Bianca from Dolly Awesome Crafts. So let's get on to the rules and dates of the challenge. Rule number 1, you should be subscribed to the host channel and all the 3 co-host channels. So please subscribe to all the 4 channels. Please mention the names of the host, the co-host in the video as well as in your description box, as well as give links to our channels and link to the playlist so that everybody gets to know and more people can join in. Please stick to the date and time of the challenge, which is going to be 27th August at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Rule number 4, please title your video Fall Dollar Tree DIY Challenge. Rule number 5, in the description box use the hashtags Falling into Fall 2020 and hashtag Fall Dollar Tree DIY Challenge 2020. The last rule, be very creative, have lots of fun, enjoy and laugh. Let's have a party. I hope you will all come and will enjoy a creative time together.